Do you want to know how much you stand to potentially make when you flip your own house? Well, this property, we made 648% on our investment. Let me show you how. So how much money can you really make when you flip your own house? Well, this property, the owners made 648% on their $27,000 investment. What if I told you that if you invested $27,000, you would be able to make $175,000? Would you do it? Well, the owners of this house did exactly that. They invested $27,000 in property preparation, and we netted an additional $175,000 on our sales price. So what are the three key things that we do in all of our projects? Well, it's easy. It's paint, floors, light fixtures. Another important factor, flooring. Flooring needs to be completely sanded down. We always suggest doing a nice clean varnish with a satin tone for that modern look. And light fixtures. I can't begin to tell you about light fixtures. It's so important to change every single fixture in the house. And one key point, make sure all the light bulbs are in the same color tone for that uniform look. Tone and colors are measured in kelvins, so it could be either 3000 kelvins or 2700 kelvins. I would never go above 4000 kelvins for your color tone, so your place doesn't look like a hospital room. And another important factor, landscaping. We can't forget how important it is to take care of the outside just like we do on the inside. So regular wood chips are not just gonna cut it. Make sure you put in some new plants. Give the backyard a little bit of life. Another thing that's important to do that we do for all of our projects is painting the inside of the fireplace. Got to make it look nice, clean, and modern. Another important factor not to overlook is the garage floor. A lot of times the garage floors could be a little dingy, so we always recommend painting in a nice gray tone to make it a nice, modern look. Another important factor, obviously, was painting the facade of the house. It's the face of the house, and it's the first thing that people see when they're walking by, and that's what's gonna make them want to go inside the house. So make that a priority. We also added a nice little feature of a balcony on the top left side, which was originally a metal, old, outdated balcony. So we wanted to modernize the look and feel of the property, and we added some nice wood paneling and aluminum balusters. As you guys can see, the team is working really hard and making sure that this house is gonna go to the new owners in nice, clean, tip-top shape. So if you'd like to flip your own house and make that profit yourself and take a value of $25,000 investment and make it into approximately $175,000, and you want to learn how, DM me anytime. Alex Kiren, 415 Residence.